Good morning, my dear students. Very good morning. Today I'm taking this opportunity to convey some important things regarding assignment 1 and assignment 2. Unfortunately, we are not in a real face-to-face environment. Therefore, I have to resort to something else to come close to an F2F session. Anyhow, we will try our best to ensure that our sessions are meaningful and do accomplish our assignment correctly. Okay, let me brief to you what is it that we are supposed to do in assignment 1. Here you are seeing the coursework assignment 1, which carries 40% of the marks. You know that another 20% comes from assignment 2 and the balance 40 from the examination. Okay, let's come back to the assignment 1. As you can read on the first line here, that this course, or rather this assignment, is to help you learn the skills and get the knowledge on how to develop a formal research proposal to aid you, assist you when you are doing your research project in the final semester. So in the proposal you will design either a quantitative or a qualitative, and even a mixed design is allowed. The topic that you want to research depends on your field of study. If you are a TESOL student, you can choose something related to TESOL. If you are a special education needs student, you take something related to your area. If you are a counseling student, then you have to choose something related. The reason why I'm saying that you have to pick something related to your field is that when you are doing your final year project, the respective supervisors will definitely expect you to do something from your area where you have some expertise, some knowledge, some background to begin with. Okay, let's move on. I have told you a few times that how to write a proposal. A research proposal is a portion of a real research study, meaning that it contains 3 of the 5 chapters: chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. What you are doing now is chapter 1, 2 and 3. So it is a research proposal, but due to its size and magnitude, I would rather call it a mini proposal, because you only have to write about 2500 words, and that would be about, I don't know, less than 10 pages. Okay, let's move on. First, you have to identify a topic of research. As I said earlier, your topic for the research should come from your field. Bear in mind that should come from your field in order that you can continue with the study later into your final year project. So within chapter 1, I have put down earlier to you the subtopics that are supposed to be in chapter 1, namely the introduction, the background, the problem statement, some objectives, related research questions, definition of terms, significance of the study, and the ethical considerations that you intend to undertake for the study. Okay, that more or less comprises your chapter 1, and for your chapter 2 it is fully showing your review of literature related to your topic for research. Okay, if you had done some reading as suggested by this assignment, at least 10 related articles, then you shouldn't have any problem in putting them into your chapter 2. What I would particularly suggest to all students is that make sure you write your review in an discussion sort of manner, meaning that you don't just put exactly what you read in your literature, but you rather put it in an argument style, meaning that you are moving through your project and all this literature comes into your path. You put them, assemble them accordingly as you move through arguing your research proposal. In other words, all this additional information from literature should either support your proposal or even may oppose your intended findings. Never mind, that is what other people have done. You just have to indicate that there are such studies that are contradictory to your proposal, if there are. In that case, you are reminding the examiner or the reader that you have read quite well the literature portion of your topic. Next comes chapter 3, where you have to describe the following. These few things. Here, look at my cursor. Design of the study, population and the sample on which you wish to conduct your study, the instrument that you intend to use, and the procedure or rather method by which you wish to collect your data. Suggests how the data will be analyzed. More precisely, put down the questions, and below the questions, your research questions, tell how you would analyze each of these questions. For example, if you are writing a research questions like what is the level of anxiety among college students, something like that. So you are looking at the level, so you may want to find the mean of the score and put the mean and classify it as either high level, moderate level or low level. Another example, let's say you want to find if there exists any relationship. So your question may be, is there relationship between students' attitude and their performance? Then your question should be, is there a relationship between students' attitude and their performance? The analysis for this question will be a correlation coefficient. So you need to find out a correlation coefficient R, and look at the value of R and decide whether it falls in the high correlation side, moderate correlation side, or low and weak correlation side. Something like that. That is what we mean by indicating how you